Hoo Rug Washing. We specialise in rug washing, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, leather cleaning and tile and grout services, home services. We're located in Brisbane. We have 3 open premises in Brisbane, north side and south side, and also the Gold Coast. What do I really love what we do in our business is obviously helping out residential clients and commercial clients in the cleaning aspects of sanitising and cleaning all types of different rugs. So what we're looking for is an individual that wants to scale a business. We're looking for leadership skills, a hard worker, passion and have a positive attitude. The misconception is with us is that you're purchasing one service. The difference between our model is that you're purchasing a premises which has high-tech equipment in regards to that, and then you're building a leadership team with employees where you can scale multiple services. That is not easy, and you've got to be a problem solver, and it's all about your research and then what makes your life work-life balance. My key focus is obviously expanding our company and moving them into different states where our success has been in Brisbane, Queensland, and having 3 operating local hubs that are at full capacity. And knowing that COVID, we've gone through some tough times with COVID. With our model, we've had contactless pick-up and drop-off service, which in return with your services that go out with the vehicles, it's kept everyone employed and customers are happy with that.